now let me introduce those buttons to you. The first one in gray, this one we always control the temperature. The second one in red is an emergency button. If there's something happen, you just need to push this, everything gonna stop. And this one, number 3, is the silver one. You can change the type, the cutting type. When the green light is on, it's 2D type. When the orange light is on, it's 3D type. So you use this one to change. Now you can see when it's orange, it's 3D. When it's green, it's 2D type. Now let's see the red one. This one is birdie button. Now please come, let's get closer. Here, so many blue buttons. It's always used to control the decoration of the wire. For this side is XCX, this side is YX, okay? And the last one is the black one. This one is for control the speed, the cutting speed, the manual cutting speed. You use this button. And from this screen, you're gonna see all the information here.